Of the throttle pedal on my simplicity. So set my phone and the tripod. When you're arc welding, a good thing to do before you start your next bead or whatever, tap your rod on the ground. Get some of that flux off so you can weld easier. Hang on, people. Some stuff moved. This rod got messed up. It's not going to strike the arc. Too much flux got off of it. So, got a new rod. Tap it on the ground. I don't get why this stuff doesn't want to weld. Yeah, I'm just trying to mix these. Get some angel, good morning. Alrighty, I got both of those all welded up. It took a little bit. That's some pretty thin metal, and this is some pretty thick sheet. That's pretty thick frame on this tractor, so it doesn't weld easy because it just wants to bust through. But alright, so that's on, and I got the throttle pedal where I want it. Here's the cable. It's at fully closed throttle right now. Oh, huh. See some problems. The cable works different. Huh. I don't get that. Because that's idle. So the way this is designed, it works different from a lot of things. So I'm running into some issues with this. See, I want it to have, when it goes down is throttle. You're giving it more throttle. But when I do that on this, it'll just pull it out, the throttle cable out more. So, I might have to use a different type of cable. Let's see, let's go ahead and take that off. Used an 8mm socket to take it off. Oh, I never showed you guys the new carburetor I put on it. The old one, it didn't wanna, it was just worn out, gaskets and all. I replaced all the fuel line on this tractor. which is a pain in the butt because you have to take the dashboard off to do it. Hang on, switching hands. That's open throttle. That's what would be needed when I do this. But if I would do that on this tractor, it would slow the throttle down, which I really don't want to have my foot on the gas. So I don't have to have the foot on a certain position all the time. Like, kind of weird how they made this setup. I could run a cable right to the butterfly, and I could kind of like delete the governor. I don't want to do that, but I might just have to. Kind of like just leave the governor out of the way. For that, I need a longer cable. Yeah, I need a longer cable for that. But I don't know. I have to see what my dad says on this because I'm not sure. Let's see if I have a cable long enough. I'll unplug this. Something you really shouldn't do is bypass the governor. I don't want to do that. I'm such an old engine. But that might just how it has to be. That's the cable that was with it. Huh. Okay. No, that was the cable that was with the other cable, I don't know. But, this one, choke cable. I don't want to use my choke cables. That might be too long. That one is that small. Yeah. Oh, I have this one. Got it. Here we go. This one might work. Or would work. Alright. Just panel on there. Let me see. Oh yeah, it'd work. But for the moment, I'm gonna leave this go. But right now, I kind of want to clean my tools off of this and see what this mowing deck I have under it would look like for it. Not for it, that I want to fit under it. That'd be the word. Would look like under it. Pneumatic tires on here looking good. Pneumatic tire is just tire with actual rubber on it, and that airs up. That's just the technical term of pneumatic. There we go. I'm gonna try just to push it right on top of it. This will be entertaining for you guys. Oh, hang on. Sorry if... Alright, there we go. Sorry if the camera was moving around a lot. Alright. Here we go. 55-inch Craftsman motor. Oh, just a 1970 Sears. That wouldn't be too hard to put on, I think. Yeah, it wasn't that hard to mount. I would love to put it on it. I mean, it doesn't look bad with the mowing deck. Like I said, I'd like to have this quick release option on this tractor, just in case. So originally, this thing has something that lifted it up and down like it was a hydraulic. But I mean, this right here can be modified to those two things. The snowplow mounts. You know, all just depends. John Deere thing still in there. But yeah, I don't know. I'll see what I want to do with it. But I'll catch you guys on the next video, which should be me figuring out how to put the throttle cable on, or how I'm gonna do it. You know, like I said, it is a weird design. I might just have to do, if I have to do it, I will, where this comes up is idle and down is, all the way up is alright, hang on a minute, maybe I don't have this mixed up. Hang on, what's that cable? I get my brain mixed up sometimes. Hang on. Alright, that is all the way at idle. Oh yeah, this will work. Sorry people, I got my brain mixed up. But, well, maybe I didn't. I don't know. What I can do is do it like... Alright, hey, I got it figured out. If you're gonna do this, what you have to do is have this cable pulled all the way out and this lever all the way down, and you tighten it there. Then you round it and you put it on, so when the throttle's up, push down. But alrighty, I will talk to you guys in part 3 of this video. So, bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to do this on my part 1 video, but always, put down in the description that my friend Carter, he always supports my videos. I'm going to say this in every video. He is a good friend, and you guys should totally go down in the comments and say, hey, you're a good friend, Carter. So, bye.